Hey, beautiful people. So it is a Friday. So happy Friday to you all. Welcome to a new vlog. So we're starting off this vlog tonight, Friday night. Earlier it was raining. I think I did a shorts. I hope y'all saw that. I'm trying to get in the more shorts content so my team can push out a little bit more and also reach a wider audience. So today Friday, we are starving and we're not gonna get any takeout. We're gonna make our own burger today, okay? Yeah, so excited. So we're gonna have burger and fries. I already had everything prior when I went to the supermarket last week. So that is the vibe that we have going on. So we're gonna make our Friday night dinner. I was thinking pasta, to be honest, but yeah, I don't think I want pasta today. I don't think so. But anyways, we're gonna jump into baking our meal right now. I think it's moving after 5:30, 6 o'clock. Not too long finished working and I showed and all of that. So I'm kind of look kind of crazy now with all this going on in my head. But anyways, um, where was I? Yeah, so we're gonna just jump into making our burger and then we're gonna continue watching Twilight. So on my last vlog, y'all saw when I tried the pumpkin spice and then I ended the night with watching Twilight. So I've actually been watching over everything. I am I think last night I watched part 2 and 3. How many wait, what did I don't remember, but right now I'm at part 1. That one when she's almost, turning into, Mrs. Wife, Mrs. Edward calling wife. Yeah. So I'm gonna watch that episode. Yeah, when I don't cook. So that's the vibe that we're having, for this Friday night. Also, there's a food festival going on for tomorrow. I am really hoping the rain don't fall because it's just gonna put a damper on that. But we have a Kingston Kitchen. It's like a bunch of people, vendors with selling food, crafts, like anything. So I'm super excited about that for tomorrow. So like I said, we're keeping our fingers crossed rain will fall. But if rain fall, we're gonna throw on a water boot because we do have that. Anyways, let's jump into this meal and then yeah, that's it for the Friday night. Not doing anything else. I'm just gonna just watch Twilight for the rest of the night and chill. So let's make our food, do a little B-roll, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Y'all, today was such a slow day at work. Have y'all ever had like a so super slow day and felt unproductive? I don't know. Have y'all? I mean, having slow days at work is awesome if your work is like always busy and blah blah blah. But like at times, have you ever felt that way though? Like today was such a slow ass, unproductive day, and yeah, I just was on Instagram watching YouTube videos. Like I was doing the most, not doing anything at work because it was a slow day. I don't mind it, but I'm just saying I felt unproductive regardless of the facts, Y'all, my fries are burnt. And that's how I like them, so no judgment, okay? Well, you can judge all you want, but I'm letting y'all know that's how I like my fries, burnt with a little color. So the burger meat now is in the pot and it's just making a lot of noise. If you're hearing it, that's it. And it's a mess up my stove when I cleaned this morning. Well, it was frozen, so, and I forgot to take it out from, a little bit, probably like 2 hours before I finished doing what I did today. So it could have been a little bit soft and not like have that much ice in it, but anyways, we're gonna have to clean the stove again. That's it. When you cook, you have to clean the stove if it messed up, and it's normally messed up. Yeah, at least have to wipe it down with the oils and stuff. Anyways, I'm not sure if I want to start Twilight yet. I'm thinking to watch um a YouTube video first. And by the way, I'm gonna be uploading a YouTube video today, Friday. I hope y'all saw it. What I'm trying to do, I did a scheduled upload, so I put it in Premiere. So once I put it in Premiere, then you guys will see that, hey, I have a upcoming. You will see the scheduled time. What am I talking? Yeah, so you will see the scheduled time once I put it in Premiere mode. And here we go. It's today at 7. I'm not sure if you guys can even see that. Today it's the 27th. Yeah, at 7 p.m. So yeah, will be the pumpkin spice video. So this video that we're recording now will probably go out on a Monday, because I like the upload Mondays. You know, I'm actually trying different days too, but I think Monday works. I wanted to do Monday and Thursday, so this video that I had up, I was thinking to upload it last night, but I was like, you know, let me try Friday night. So that's what we're doing. Yeah. And I hope y'all click the notification bell as well, so y'all don't miss the video when I upload. All right, yeah, so we're gonna probably watch 1 and 2 videos for now on YouTube. I'm sued up to date to Peyton. If you guys don't know Peyton, she's like a vibe. I like her, so I'm probably gonna watch. I think I have like 5 videos for her. I've seen that. Oops. Yeah, she has like 5 videos that I haven't watched yet, so I'm thinking to watch hers and then somebody else, and then yeah, then we're gonna watch our Twilight. Yeah, I'm in the YouTube vibe. So let's see who we're gonna watch. And I like watching. I actually like. Do you guys like on your homepage for your thing? Do you guys like just randomly scroll through it and see? Because there's like a bunch of new people. Like YouTube is recommending new people that, you know, that just joined or they're under 500,000 subscribers. I actually just watch those and subscribe to them, because even if I don't like them, I still subscribe, because I knew how hard it was to try to reach 1,000 subscribers. I know now YouTube has changed it. We only need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. But when back then when I joined 2-3 years ago, whenever that time is, it had to be 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And I can remember those trying times. Like, it was so hard for me to reach 1,000 subscribers, not even the 4,000 watch hours. So if somebody pops up on my thing, and I see they're new under 1,000, under 500, I just subscribe to them. I do watch the content for a minute. If I don't really like it, then yeah, I'm gonna come off, but I click subscribe to it. It's just, because I know how hard it is, and I know everyone is trying to, make it there, do content, so yeah. So I know how it feels. Okay, somebody new just popped up. Ooh, okay, he looks like he's on the other side of the spectrum.
What?
Based on his thumbnail, and it's a moving vlog, so I think I'm gonna watch that. I like watch moving vlogs. They're just so inspiring, Yeah, I like watch moving vlogs. It's like a calmness and a balance and watching somebody, and sometimes they give stories. Hold on, let me go check on my meat. What I was saying, like the moving vlogs, sometimes when I watch those, sometimes they give stories like, they weren't comfortable in their thing, they didn't feel like home, and they're glad that they're moving and they found a space that, hey, suited for them. Like, I'm actually in that predicament as well. If y'all don't remember, I actually moved a couple months ago to somewhere on my own, because I was living with my parent prior. And for a while the space was good, but like, it just doesn't feel like home. And yeah, we'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, so like I was saying, like the moving vlogs and they're a vibe. The fall vlogs, I mentioned that in my last vlog, they're a vibe. So we are gonna get into it. So I actually just gonna watch it on my phone and not the TV. So let me go find, I think this person that pops up. I'm gonna watch him and then see how this vlog is going. He has 4,000 subscribers, and people who have this more than me, I do subscribe to them as well. So no hating over here. Anyways, yeah. When I finish cooking, I'll show y'all that, and yeah, probably yeah, I'll pick you guys back up tomorrow. I'm actually looking at my phone, so that's why I may look down. I got monetized on YouTube. Nice. Anyways, we'll chat later.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new way. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when I let
So breakfast is served, and it's looking to be another rainy day here. So what can we do? I do need to go on the road and run errands. Let me tell you all the time. It should be 12:45. It's 12:45 and I'm just having breakfast. Yeah, I've been in bed all day, literally. So I do have errands to run. I do have packages to pick up, but I'm just not in the mood to leave my house. And then later, I should be going to the food festival I told y'all. So keeping our fingers crossed. I mean, rain is based on the weather. It said it's gonna rain, so hopefully it stops later. I'll probably want to go around 5:36 because it starts at 4. But based on the weather, they may extend it and start it late as well. But we will see. And I still haven't bought my ticket. So we're just gonna hold off on that until we know we're going, and I'll probably just stop at a location and purchase it. But for now, Saturday, we're just gonna, yeah, we're chilling. We're chilling. I'm gonna have my sandwich here, and yeah, we're gonna finish watching Twilight. We're at the last one right now, so super excited. I can't believe I watched all of Twilight. Actually wanted to go get another pumpkin spice too, but I'll probably try another cafe, because where I want to buy the ticket, it's at a cafe. So I'm gonna actually check the Instagram to see if they have anything pumpkin spice going on, and I'll probably get the ticket from there and purchase it from there as well, the coffee. Or I'll just probably go back to Starbucks and get a frappuccino, pumpkin spice frappuccino or latte. What is the difference? I just spit to myself, what is the difference? You see, I don't know, because I'm not a coffee lover, but we're gonna be trying, you know, we're here experimenting and trying new things. But yeah, this Saturday, y'all, is just it's Saturday if I didn't tell you. Today is just lazy day. So we're gonna watch our show, and yep, that's it until we're ready to leave out. You know what, I'm not smart, y'all, because we all know that it's due to rain today, and me, if I wasn't being a lazy person, I would have got up and done everything that I needed to get done, and I would have been back home at this time, at home, chilling calmly while the rain is falling outside. But I may gonna have to leave out in the chaos because I want my packages today. So I do have to go on the road or pick them up next week. So I'm really not thinking. She is slow this weekend. And I need to buy KFC for my niece. I promised her. She got 100 for her spelling bee in her class. So she was, I think she was number one. Yeah, she got 100% in her spelling bee and all of that. So I promised her to get a meal. I asked her what she wanted to eat, and she said KFC, of course. So I have to get her that. And I know she's going to be calling down my phone. So I probably should have done all my errands first. But yeah, we're just going to work with whatever. I think I'm chatting too much. Maybe I'll just go and watch part 2 right now. The most epic parts. One of them. I'm ready, all dressed. It's moving on to 3:30, and I think my shipping company to pick up my packages close at 4, and I need to buy the KC for my niece. Yeah, and I'm thinking to go to the food festival around 6 o'clock, so we gotta hurry up with this. The rain is not falling, so thank God. So we're dressed in pink today. I don't know why, because I'm not really into pink, but I just found this Marina pink shirt, and you know, we gotta put the band because our hair needs to be did. And yeah, we don't know when we're gonna do hair, so yeah, the band will hide all the growth that's coming out. And we're just in our shades, and we're in our regular sandals. All right, let's go.
Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice.
All right, so I'm at KFC, y'all. The line is super long, so I'm gonna like go inside because yeah.
I'm at the wrap around the edges, baby, yes. I keep it happy and I do what make me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. Self-preservation, self-elevation. These kind of things, baby, deserve celebration. No hesitation, no reservation. Go for the big leagues, no relegation. Let's celebrate life, kick back and take life, and give thanks to the source that create life. Just see a sunset.
So I'm basically ready, y'all. Don't mind this. I'm actually gonna find a pin to latch it because I'm trying to wear kind of like a earth tone brown vibe with black. So basically this is the only kind of nude top I have that is long sleeve. All the others are like white, and I don't want white. So this is gonna have to work. I'm gonna try to find a pin before I leave out, hopefully. If not, I may have to like stop at a pharmacy to get a pen. Anyways, what we're gonna work with tonight is shades. I don't know, we're in the shades vibes, and this shades can wear at night. And I bought this from Amazon, and remember the link is down below on my storefront. So once in a click, well, I'll put the link for the glasses and also the storefront as well. So when I put on the glasses, y'all will see the vibe that I mean with the whole brown vibes. So this is it. Very nice. Let me put it on and see. Let's see how it looks. Let me fix her hair. I can't even see y'all because I'm using the back of the camera and the back of my phone. Oh my god, I can't wait to get a camera because I can't even see. I don't even know if I'm framed properly. Anyway, so this is the vibe. Y'all get the vibe. The brown, I can see at night. The top, y'all get it, right? The top. Okay, we got it. And then we're wearing, let's go in the mirror, y'all see what I'm wearing on my foot. Let's go. All right, y'all see the vibe now? Let's come close. I think y'all get the vibe. So the glasses definitely go with the top, and then our bag go with our shoes, right? So the reason why I'm wearing this shoes is rain. Well, rain didn't fall today, did it? I don't even know. I don't think it fell today, but if, you know, we're gonna be on grass tonight, and a lot of rain fell yesterday. So when I want dirty up with sneakers, and all of my sneakers that I have are light colors. It's either white or kind of grayish, that type of color. So we're not gonna mess up our sneakers, and then we're gonna have to come in and clean it the same night. I did ask my friend who is already there. She said the grass it was wet earlier, but it's no longer wet. But you know how grass is, and you know. So just to be on the safe side, we're wearing our water shoes. I'm sorry. We're not in the cleaning tonight. So this is a fit. Yep. I like it. Yeah, and like I said, it's a food festival, so it's not really, you're just comfortable, relaxing. So yeah, this is the vibe. And remember the glasses, Amazon, like, whew, there are so many Amazon shades in my cart, y'all. I'm gonna, once I buy them and I add them and y'all like them, just buy it from a storefront. Okay. All right, we're gonna head out because it's very late. Okay, y'all, so I'm here, I'm parked. Let's head inside.
She's so cold, she can make crime on me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me, oh no. Broke me to a tiny piece, she wrong. Felony, oh. Yeah, felony, oh. She can make crime on me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me. I didn't mean she love me. I didn't mean she want me, she don't need no money. She really...
I'm about to head home. The event is almost over. I didn't really vlog much or did much. I just walked the entire area, and then I I just bought some ITEL food and a drink, and that's it. I didn't really do much. I mean, the food that they had there was just regular, stuff that we eat every day. So I really didn't want any pasta, no chicken, didn't want no pork, didn't want no seafood. So I opted for the ITEL food, which was pretty good. I showed you guys that already. I think I did video that. But overall, the event is just, it was good. You just, walk around, eat, chill for the rest of the night. There's actually nothing to say. That's the only thing I did. And I got there like almost 9 o'clock, which was late. That's just the rundown of the event. I am just super tired. I think my friends may be going to Mellow Vibes, but I'm not going. I'm heading straight home. I'm just tired and I just want to relax. And I have Twilight to finish, the part 2, the last part. So we're gonna head home and finish that, and then I should be able to pick you guys up tomorrow. We'll see. Good afternoon, beautiful people. It's a Sunday, so happy Sunday. We are gonna grab some Starbucks. Yes, I'm gonna try pumpkin spice again. Is it really trying? Because the first one was pretty okay. So I'm gonna try something traditional. I'm still gauging if I should do, hope my phone not vibrating. I'm still gauging if I should do the latte or frappuccino. I don't know, but we're gonna go in Starbucks right now. I'm at the Starbucks at Red Hills Road in the new plaza. We're gonna try that, and then we gotta head to the supermarket again because we need something to cook, and it's 1:11 in the afternoon. So we gotta find something to cook, and my energy is pretty low, and y'all will probably realize it right now. Anyways, we're gonna grab the Starbucks and just quick time go to the supermarket. I was thinking to get some fish, so I may just do that. I don't know what we're gonna eat today Sunday, but I get a Starbucks first out of the way because I have not had anything from morning, which is the usual, and it's after 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So we're gonna get our Starbucks. so I got the pumpkin spice frappuccino. It's with whole milk, pumpkin, and I got an extra pumpkin spice sauce because I asked her if I want it a little bit sweet, so she added that. So this is it, and it's iced coffee. So let's see how this tastes. Oh, I haven't taken a picture. I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, this isn't bad. Okay, I can vibe with this. I can vibe with this. It's not too sweet like the last one that I ordered, because the last one was a killer, but this definitely has a little sweetness to it. This is good. I still definitely won't be a Starbucks girly, but this is good. Did I ask her, is this small or medium? Because she ain't asked me. This looks like a medium, like the same size that I ordered the last time. Anyways.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently.